Okay, see it's stopping in those channels? It's like it's receiving something, like an internal birdie in the receiver. I couldn't figure out how to get it to go past it without turning the squelch all the way up to 10, but then it wouldn't pick up anything, so I enacted the voice squelch. Haven't played around with the audio filter yet, which takes out the highs or trebles. Like on that shortwave, I might enable it there. Give it a little bit lower mid and bass tone. But anyways, let me show you what I did, what the manual says, and simple little procedure. Radios are expensive. And it's got a ton of birdies. Right on frequencies that I normally talk on, so kept breaking the squelch. And what do? I don't know. This is only a conclusion I could come to that makes it work to at least it scans past it. Voice squelch control. This function is useful when you don't want unmodulated signals, pausing a scan. Yes, or stopping at all the birdies that the receiver has. It's not a bad receiver, but it's so wide that it has so many birdies. So enabling voice squelch control is basically allowed it to stop in that, and then half a second or however milliseconds it is, it proceeds past it. So only problem is if you don't have the programming software, I don't know how you would ever do this manually. Anyways, there you go. One of those idiocracies. I have a couple frequencies in my radio that really pick up some sort of squeal, high-pitched tone. It's on the 900 megahertz, like 906-500, which is the ham 900 megahertz calling frequency. I don't know if there's somebody with a cordless phone around, but I did enact this on one channel, and I kind of eliminated that.